Okay, right now I'm at a apartment complex. Here's some units. First off, we have a Train XR13, which is a 2007 2-ton. Next up, we have a Maristar with an LG 2015 2-ton. Here's a Payne Emerson Copeland Scroll 2016 1.5-ton. There's a Goodman, which has a rotary 2-ton from 2022. Gotta walk around here. Too many leaves. And then here's the two treasures of the day. A 1989 Carrier Tech 2000 with a Tecumseh AK or AW, I think it's an AW, 1.5-ton. And then a Carrier Compact from 1983. And there's a Run True and a Goodman. Not gonna really get the data because apartment complex is sketching. Over there is a Train XR, a Tecumseh 10, and two American Standards. One's a Allegiance 13, one is a Silver Series. And I believe I remember what replaced that. I don't know what that replaced. That replaced an old Janitrol, that replaced an older Lennox, and that replaced a Payne Teardrop from 2005. And then the Run True replaced a 2008 or 2007 American Standard Allegiance 13. The Train XR over there replaced a stamped octagon ream with a scroll. I believe the Silver Series over there replaced a Carrier CKC or CKB, I think. But yeah, this thing has run before. Do have a video of it running, but it doesn't run with the compressor, unfortunately. Here's this Run True, a line scroll down in there. Data. Yeah. Over and out.